The Uttar Pradesh police meanwhile says that these two Pakistani terrorists who were arrested in Gorakhpur with an AK-47 assault rifle, a pistol and a large amount of ammunition were out to target unarmed policemen before the 2014 general elections in an attempt to repeat the Rampur CRPF camp kind of an attack. According to interrogation so far, there is no evidence that at least these two terrorists were out to target any politician from any political party. But this is at odds with what top-level sources, both in the Intelligence Bureau and the Delhi Police Special Cell, have told headlines today. They say that the BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi was one of the main targets. According to sources in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Narendra Modi has a 5-layered security cordon around him, which has been reviewed by the MHA. There is adequate security around him.
उत्तर प्रदेश के कुछ क्षेत्रों का जायजा लेने के लिए उत्तर प्रदेश में आए। 26 मार्च को ये गोरखपुर आए, जहां पे पूर्व से बताई हुई जगह जो तौसीफ में बताई थी, इनको एक व्यक्ति ने AK-47 पिस्टल कारतूस वगैरह प्रदान किए। इनके मिशन के बारे में पूछने पर इन लोगों ने बताया कि इन्हें उत्तर प्रदेश के पूर्वी क्षेत्र में किसी माकूल स्थान पर निहत्थे फोर्स के समूह पर AK-47 एवं पिस्टलों से अंधाधुंध फायरिंग कर हमला करना था।
And what sources in the government are telling headlines today that there are a number of suicide bombers who are out there, out to target political rallies, kill those people who attend these rallies, and also target the VVIPs on stage. There are multiple terror teams that are out there. Indian Mujahideen heads may have been arrested, but there are still sleeper cells that are out there. The mopping up operation is on. Even as these mopping up operations are on, headlines today is Rohit Singh reports from one of Narendra Modi's rallies in Bihar, where security was tightened extensively. Rohit Singh, of course, reports from Sasaram, where Modi addressed a rally today.
BJP's Prime Ministerial nominee Narendra Modi will be addressing a rally in Sasaram in a short while from now, and massive security deployment has been put in place in Sasaram because this area is a Naxal infested zone. And also after Sasaram he is going to address another rally in Gaya, and in Gaya today the Naxals have blown 2 mobile towers ahead of Narendra Modi's rally. So after that, security has been beefed up in this area. And if I could show you on my right side, at the outer circle there are metal detectors that have been put up. That's the outer ring where the metal detectors have been put up, and frisking is taking place. Each and every person is being frisked before allowing him inside the ground. And this is the second location where metal detectors have been put in place. Again, here also people are being frisked before they are allowed to enter the Maidan. And apart from this, the CRPF has taken control of this entire area. There are STF officials here, STF Jawans also here, the Bihar Military Police is also here, apart from the district police, and each and every person is being frisked before anyone enters the ground. And because we know that after Tehseen and Waqas's revelation that Narendra Modi was on the hit list and he could be, the terrorists could be trying to eliminate him through human bombs, that is why the security agencies are taking no chance, and that is why heavy security deployment has been put in place to ensure that nothing untowards happen. With camera person Deepak Kumar, this is Rohit Singh in Sasaram for Headlines Today.